History of badminton is one of the oldest racket sports in the world. It started from an ancient game called battledore and shuttlecock, which was played more than 2,000 years ago in Greece, China, and India. In this simple game, players use small rackets to keep a feathered shuttlecock in the air without letting it fall. During the 18th, British Army officers stationed in India saw a local game called Pona, which used rockets as shuttlecock. They enjoyed the game and brought it back to England.
The ancient roots of badminton. In this early game, players used small wooden paddles called battledores to keep a shuttlecock, a light feathered object, in the air for as long as possible. There was no net or court. The goal was simply to keep the shuttle from touching the ground. The idea of hitting the shuttlecock back of forth was a popular pastime in many ancient cultures. In China, a similar game called Tianzi used the feet instead of rackets. In India, a version called Pona became more structured and later influenced the development of modern badminton. And the badminton scoring system. Badminton matches are played in best of three games format. This means a player or team must win 2 out of three games to win the match. The first side to reach 21 points wins the game. The player or team that wins a game serves first in the next game. Now, I will explain this topic, the basic skill in badminton. The first important skill in the grip. The way a player holds the racket affects how well they can control their shots. There are two common grips, the forehand grip and the backhand grip. The forehand grip and the backhand grip. A proper grip helps a player hit the shuttle with power and accuracy. Next is footwork. Good footwork allows a player to move quickly and reach the shuttle easily. Player must learn how to step, lunge, and change direction smoothly. Without proper footwork, it is hard to return shot and keep up with the opponent.
Badminton equipments. The racket is used to hit the shuttlecock. It is light and easy to swing, so players can move fast and control their shots. The shuttlecock. The shuttlecock, also called a birdie, is what players hit back and forth over the net. It is made of feathers or plastic. The court. The court is the place where the game is played. It has lines for singles and doubles, and it is flat and smooth for easy movements.